EarlyBird Gummies claim to offer a full-spectrum hemp experience through a precise blend of 2.5 milligrams of naturally derived delta-9 TCC and 12.5 milligrams of CBD per gummy, aiming to provide the entourage effect many hemp users seek. They're also marketed as vegan, GMO-free, and pesticide-free, with fruity flavors like strawberry, watermelon, and lemon that are actually quite pleasant. The company does a good job of being transparent with their ingredient list, and their customer support is quick to respond, which is definitely a plus. However, it's worth noting that their website only showcases positive reviews, and there's a lack of independent feedback on platforms like Trustpilot, which makes it harder to fully verify how effective or trustworthy the product really is. After trying them for a few days, the effects were mild. There was a sense of calm and slight relaxation, but nothing overly noticeable or life-altering. They didn't cause any discomfort or side effects, but they also didn't deliver a dramatic shift in mood or focus. While the product isn't a scam and does contain what it claims, the limited third-party validation and somewhat underwhelming results leave this product in a gray area. Not amazing, not terrible, but something you might want to try for yourself if you're curious, just without expecting miracles.